Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. My name is Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to install OptiFine for 1.16.2 on Minecraft. And the first thing you want to do is search up OptiFine.net, and you're going to come up to this page right here. This is the home page. This is where they talk about the types of things that they fix or the types of things that they have recently added, stuff like that, and the type of features that they have available on OptiFine. What you're going to do is go to downloads, and on the downloads page you can see a ton of different versions for Minecraft that they have created for you with OptiFine. There's a bunch of different ones. You guys can download whatever you want for that. But when it comes to 1.16.2, you can see it's not here. This is 1.16.1. Well, where's 1.16.2? It's actually right here in preview versions. Now, why the heck is it in preview versions? Well, let me tell you, this all right here, all these versions right here are for official OptiFine versions that have been fully completed, and these preview versions are versions that have not been completed yet. So they're still working on bugs, still working on fixes and things like that. They're still working on stuff. It's not completely finished. So you may come across some bugs here and there, and that could be an issue. I haven't had any issues so far using the latest update. They always try to do the best they can to, even on these preview versions, to not have too many bugs hanging around in the download section here. So what you're going to want to do is go to the latest one here. This is the latest version that they have for 1.16.2 of OptiFine, and you're going to click on Mirror to download this. You're going to come up to this page right here. It's going to come up with some ads. Ignore those. Don't click on any of those. Instead, you're going to click on this little message here, Download Preview OptiFine 1.16.2 HD UG3 pre4.jar. Once you click on that bad boy, you're going to get your download down here. It's the same for Microsoft Edge, and I haven't used Firefox in a long time, so I don't remember if that's where it is. But even if it doesn't show up down here for any type of for any reason whatsoever, you can always go to your downloads up here and check it out up there. Well, what we have here is a little message saying this file could harm your computer. Basically, it's a warning saying, are you sure you know what you're doing? This may potentially be a virus that you are downloading. Well, as long as it says preview OptiFine 1.16.2 .jar, you are perfectly fine to press keep. If it says anything else other than preview OptiFine 1.16.2, don't keep it. Discard it, because that means you accidentally clicked on something else and it could be potentially harmful. So once you click keep and successfully got that over with, we have right here preview OptiFine 1.16.jar, and we're gonna click on that or bring it to your desktop, whatever you please, and we're gonna basically start this installer up by pressing install. It's not gonna take very long at all. As you can see, it popped up almost immediately, and it says OptiFine is successfully installed. Now, I have heard occasionally sometimes it doesn't install and it fails for some reason. I would re-download the installation. If that does happen to you where it fails, I would reinstall or re-download the installation and then try installing it a second time. And if that still doesn't work, perhaps it might be that you don't have the highest update on Minecraft, the actual version on Minecraft 1.16.2, because if it sees that you don't have 1.16.2 downloaded, then it may potentially not work, because it doesn't see that you have 1.16.2. How is it going to work if you don't have the original 1.16.2 version? So you got to make sure that is downloaded. If you guys have any problems, let me know. I will try my best to help you solve any issues. So we're going to press OK, and now it is successfully installed. So we're going to go to Minecraft launcher, and here, as you can see, we're right at the launcher, and right here, 1.16.2 OptiFine HD G3 Pre-4. So that's exactly what we wanted. And if this doesn't happen to show up, that's perfectly fine. You didn't do anything wrong. It's just it didn't happen to show up right away. It just so happens that I've installed it before, so that's why it's here. And sometimes, like for me, this happened to me. It shows up immediately after installing it for the first time. But if it happens to be that you don't see it there in the little versions tab, you can go to installations, click new. If you guys don't know this already, you can click on this little versions tab, and you can, I mean, there's so many versions, it's not even funny, of Minecraft. There's even snapshots, as you can see, that you can play. And once you find 1.16.2 OptiFine, you are good to go. Click on that, name it whatever you please, and click create. And there you go. Once you created that, you can press that play button and go right into the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it really helped. Like I said, if you haven't come across any issues, I would try my best to solve them. I'm not perfect, so I might not be able to solve them completely, but I will try my best. So let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video and if it helped you, because I just really want to help you guys and get this out there, because not everybody knows that you can still download OptiFine 1.16.2 even if they haven't officially come out with it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in another video. See you later, guys.